So as you can see that this is getting downloaded. Now it shows only 1%. So let's wait for till the download completes. You can use it as a tablet. I'm just holding it, placing it like it in front of me. Hi everybody, this video is about the installation of Windows 11 and the new touch 2-in-1 laptop. This laptop is Dell Inspiron 5000 series 5406 Core i3, 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD. So I'm trying to install this Windows 11 in touch platform. So let's complete the installation and see how good it performs. So I'm starting my installation from the Windows Insider program. Earlier I tried in my other PC and it worked really fine, the Windows 11. This is Windows Insider program, selecting it. This is my dev channel, I'm selecting it, and you can see that this is dev channel. This is ideal for highly technical users. If you are looking for Windows 11 build, as it says, be the first to access the latest Windows 11 build. So I've selected my dev channel. Now I'm going back. So now you can see here Windows 11 Insider Preview 10.2200.100. That is a core release that is getting downloaded. It's starting downloading, and along with that there are Wave software components and display components getting downloaded. So let's wait till the Windows 11 Insider Preview completes the process. So as you can see that this is getting downloaded. Now it shows only 1%. So let's wait for till the download completes. So the download is still progressing. As you can see that it's 93% now, and it's still progressing. So now you can see that it completed the download 100% and started the installation. So the installation is in front of us, so hope this will complete soon. So you can see that the installation is at 100% right now. I'm just waiting to complete it. It's just completed the 100%. It took almost 2.5-3 hours to get it completely download and install. Now the 100% is completed. Now the message is restart required. This update is ready to install. We need your help deciding when to restart so we can finish up. So this is pending restart. So I'll be giving the restart option. Windows 11 has the features like, it's completed. It's now ready. As you can see that I have successfully completed the installation, and all the menus, everything moved to this is get started. I'm just clicking the get started. This is Windows 11. So this is my name. So this is the first window. It's loading pretty slowly. I'm not sure why. Anyway, let's see. Get started. Maybe it is customizing itself for the laptop. Okay. This is Fire Explorer. Open on my OneDrive. Okay, I'm not going to set the OneDrive right now. I'll go one by one later. Windows 11 can install the apps, Android apps, without the help of BlueStacks. So I'm curious to see that how new games can be installed, how it performs in this particular laptop and all. So I'm just going through it. Okay, I'm just closing that window. You can see that the window is taskbar is centerized. Now all the icons are in the center. Earlier it was on the left side. Right now it is something similar to the Mac. Here you will get all the details. The settings, everything is centralized. All pretty good, and I have to explore it more. Now this is the first video regarding the installation. I'll give you a close-up of how to use it in a tab model. This particular. So this is, I'm just changing my screen. Desktop picture. I'm setting this as my desktop picture. Yeah. So this is Windows 11 installed in successfully without any trouble. Slowly it is installed in the Dell Inspiron i3 500 series, and I think it is pretty good, working pretty good. I just checked the settings. This is the view display, and let's see build. The Windows 11 home single is what I have put, and the OS build is 2200.100. So I'll play with it. I will see how good this one is. So far it's good. It's working flawlessly. This is what it shows the memory and CPU usage after installing the Windows 11 in Inspiron i3 2-in-1. After installing the Windows 11 in Dell Inspiron 5000 series i3, you can see that the CPU usage is 3% and the memory is consumed nearly half, 50%, that is 50% of memory is used. This is 8 GB memory. Okay, I'll show it once more as how you can use it as a tablet. I'm just folding it, placing it like it in front of me. So this is Windows 11. This is Windows 11 installed in Inspiron, Dell Inspiron 5000 series. So it's working flawlessly. It doesn't show any lag so far. I'll try installing so many applications, as many applications as I can. So please keep watching me, watching my channel. Please subscribe it and click the notification button so that you will be getting the update as soon as I upload the latest news about Windows 11 in this tablet PC. Yeah. So this is it. So I just changed the view. So now you can see that this is Windows 11 in a portrait mode. So Windows 11 in a portrait mode. It's working very fine. And this can be used in a multiple angle. let me take my channel. Okay, this is it. So here you will get the ring bell. Wow, that's here. It's loading pretty good. See, it's loading pretty good. So I'm just taking one of my, check the sound quality. Okay, then I'll turn it on. See, it's simple. It works flawlessly. If you want to change it, just drag it. You will get all the options. See, this is my website, my business. Wow, it loads very flawlessly. This is my business. So it seems pretty good. This is Windows. This is Windows 11 installed in Dell Inspiron 5000 series i3 processor with 8 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD, M.SSD. So the installation is very successful. Without any trouble, I was able to install. I'll be playing around with it for some time, and we'll come up with more video regarding the updates, the new application, and more. So please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the notifications, and please share this video with your friends and keep supporting me. Thank you.